What's up, guys? Today we will be making a maze game in Scratch. So first of all, you could pick your character. I don't really have anything on me right now, any character, so I'll just stick with the Scratch Cat because I'm not gonna bother to go choose a sprite. So first of all, if we're gonna make our maze be big, then Scratch Cat would be too big. So we're going to shrink him down to 50% with a one green flag clicked, set size to 50%. And also I'm again recording on Zoom. I don't really know if I'll install any sort of software. So I'll just almost maybe all of my videos would would be recorded on Zoom. We did get so many more subscribers, guys. We're at 8 subscribers. I actually kind of want to change the goal to 10 now instead of 50. But I actually do think we can make it. I'm so excited to get to 10. This video maybe could deserve 1 like. Let's try to hit that. So first of all, anyways, let's get back. We'll click start and it would be the green flag basically. It would be at 50%. So next thing that we're gonna make our movement. So for me, I like to use the WASD, but if you're an arrow key user, then you could use the arrow keys too. Just follow what I'm doing, but if you're using arrow keys, then instead of using WASD, you could do up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. So for me, I like WASD, so I scroll down to get W. Then you could do the same thing by selecting the up arrow. And then you're going to do change Y by its value. So I'm just going to test out 10 real quick. Yeah, that's a bit too fast. I think 7 would do. Yeah, that's better. So now my favorite trick I have is I'm just going to duplicate this, change this to S or down arrow, and just flip the numbers by doing -7 this time. Then we can't duplicate and just change the number here. We're going to actually have to change this to X. And then if you want, you could do right arrow, left arrow. For me, I'll be doing A and D. So you could do right arrow, but I'll do. If I put that in the loop. Also, I do have a loud, yeah, basically my baby brother's at home. He's really loud. So yeah. But we do have right now, I do have working movement controls. Now let's work on the maze. So what we're trying to do is detect the collision between this Scratch Cat and the maze. So what we're going to do is we're going to, I actually want to it's going to take pretty much a long time to show you how I make the thing. Yeah, so I actually can't draw the maze myself. I actually got it online, but if you can draw a maze, you're welcome to draw your own maze. But I just got it from this Google search. Basically this one. You just search a maze image, then you could just find something like this and import it. I also use this website, which would remove the background. And then in Scratch, I deleted this part. Anyways, we're going to now use the Scratch Cat. Okay, since my maze is actually kind of small, I'm gonna shrink his size to 30. But you don't have to do this if your maze has better gaps. So it would be like mainly just playable in full screen. Yeah, full screen. And also, I'm gonna make this slow down because he's too fast. So, because he's small, so, and it would be kind of hard for the user to play. Well, let's see right now. It could kind of navigate through the maze. Also, another good idea to make it more accessible is just don't put your own, like your own, what you're more comfortable with yourself. You can also make it so that other people could, when they play your project, they could also use their preference. Because I mostly use WSD, but I just realized that if a arrow key person comes and plays my game, then they would have to, they won't really like the WASD controls. So I would import arrow keys because if they like arrow keys, then they can use them. Now I'm just trying to add S. S. And duplicate again. Oh, my bad. Okay, so this was D, so D or right arrow. And wait, this is a better idea. Just do A or left arrow. Okay, so now we have an some added accessibility for our game. We could now, oh shoot, I'm actually pretty bad at using either of these controls, but with the collision detection, I would be a bit better. Like, look how bad I am on this. But still, I'm decent. Okay, so right now my 30 is too big. Again, I'm gonna make that a 20. Yeah, that's even smaller in this view, but it's a way, way better on this. So the maze feels gigantic. For the cat. So since I have this white space and this is where it's already at, but just I'm going to first I'll place it at 0, 0 and move it just a bit that it's in a better middle. So that's X17. Yeah. So now that we have the maze positioned, it's time to also I'm gonna just real quick. Scratchy is in front. So now we're going to work on the collision detection. So what we're going to do is make a block and name it collision detection. Hold up. So the thing is I'm really slow at typing. So I'm just going to pause the recording. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm really bad at typing. Okay, so here's a block completely done. Also, make sure to take Run Without Screen Fresh. Yeah, so I finally figured how to do collision detection now. So first of all, you make a new sprite, leave the paint blank, then do a one green flag clicked forever, go to your character, the player, like repeat forever, repeat one, go to the player, wait, and then outside of that repeat loop, do a wait 0.001 seconds. Then you can go back to the cat sprite and then do this code. When green flag clicked forever, if touching color black, go to your your black your blank sprite. Basically, yeah, your blank sprite. I also switched my I also switched my maze to this one because the other one was way too hard. I couldn't solve it even when I tried to. So here's some gameplay. Oh. I hope you would subscribe. I'm sorry I kind of didn't show you where I coded like step by step. But you could just pause the video when I show you a piece of code and copy it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Our like goal is again 1. I mean, we could get more. Let's try. Let's try. Bye for now.